What's up, y'all? Good morning. Time to rise and train. So it is just past 7 a.m. It's probably like 7:15 or something. Let's see. Okay, I lied. It's 7:30. I was up around 7:05 this morning. Alarm goes off at 7. I doze off for another snooze for another 5. And I read through all my Twitters, read through all my tweets that I missed throughout the night. Then I get up. So I got up, brushed my teeth down, took my morning dump, my pre-workout dump, and now I'm getting ready, getting to train. So just gonna get dressed. I'm thinking of doing some weight training this morning, so I'm probably gonna have probably a protein shake because it's with water, so it's faster absorbing. It gives me a little extra boost, some extra necessary calories and carbs and protein and all that stuff for a workout. And then of course take the jacked, and then hit the gym. Getting ready for the gym, homie. You gotta get that music.
It's a feeling you only loyal to money. The only thing she appealing to, appetite for goons. Life on the edge, no jumping the boom, jumping bed to bed. America's nightmare. Fat ass, pretty face, but you better watch her. It's safe in a different place.
You know about that, homeboy.
Nigga, they sticking you for the sake.
Switch channels like on a regular basis, so